Is this lighting good? Like, I don't even know if this lighting is good. Like, I don't. Oh, for fuck's sake. Where is the light? Whoa! That's bright. Hey guys, it's Taylor. I don't really know what to film today, but today I'm going to be filming a video that Hey guys, it's Taylor. Today I'm going to be doing a cooking with Taylor video. I had no idea what to film today, but it dawned on me and I was like, I'm hungry, why don't I film it? I don't really know what I'm gonna make, so we're gonna look in my freezer and see what there is in there. Alright, let's see what's in the freezer. Rich and creamy penne and cheese. Some mini pizzas. Some sweet and sour chicken. Some cheese and smoked ham. Some cheese and bacon sort of stuffed baked potatoes. Because I'm baked. Just kidding, I'm not. I was literally hoping that we had chicken nuggets, and guess what? There's no chicken nuggets. Oh my god. Well, plan 2. Plan B, plan A, plan C, I don't know. Why don't I have any food? So, yeah, we don't have any food in our house, so I can't really cook anything, so I'm just gonna make toast. And also it's 10:30 in the morning, so I'm supposed to be studying right now, but I'm making a video, so my filming setup is like bomb AF right now because you're sitting in a pantry, so have fun with that. I'm kind of pissed because I just made 2 pieces of toast and I realized that the entire process when I was making my toast I was not filming. I didn't hit record, so I just wasted 2 pieces of bread. Actually, I will probably end up eating them, but I'm going to repeat this process and just do it again because I am a freaking pro YouTuber. Alright, so step number 1. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your bread. I'm gonna take my white bread because I'm white as hell. And then you're gonna take 1 or 2 pieces. I am just gonna do 2. So you're gonna just take a cutting board and then slab these breads on the cutting board, okay? And if you're wondering, I'm about as useless as this piece of bread. Okay, so then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take your peanut butter and jam. Honey is hella expensive right now in the market, so I'm just gonna take some raspberry jam, some Smucker's seedless pure raspberry jam since 1897. 250 milliliters, and I'm going to take this Kraft Extra Creamy Peanut Butter, 500 grams, extra creamy. And then you're gonna want to take your toast, and you're gonna want to slab it in the toaster. And don't forget to turn on the toaster. I've done that too many times. Make sure it's on a good setting that's not gonna completely burn your toast. I've also done that too many times. So you're gonna slab that in there, and you're gonna now wait. I don't really know what to do until this is finished toasting. So I have a funny story. So I tweeted Lauren this picture, and then she replied to it and she said, "Daddy," and then everyone literally went crazy and my notification blew up. So rip, thanks Lauren. And honestly, I love Lauren. Like, her and Gio are so cute. Oh my god, this video. He like surprised her. Oh my gosh, he bought a flight and came in my room this morning because he couldn't wait 5 days, so countdown is over. Like, oh my god, I literally love them. Like, I want a relationship like them. I'm actually in like tears right now, like my actual heart. My actual heart. Jesus Christ. Toaster, why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta scare me? Why you gotta restart my damn heart? So then, step whatever this is, I don't really know. I haven't been counting. Who really counts anyways? So you're gonna take your 2 pieces of freshly toasted ass toast, and you're gonna slab it on your, I just got peanut butter all over me, nice, on your cutting board. And so you're gonna take your extra creamy, can you English today? No. You're gonna take your extra creamy peanut butter and you're gonna dip your knife into that hella extra creamy peanut butter, and you're going to slab it on your piece of toast, and you're going to mix it real good and make sure that it is flawless. So you're gonna do just like so, and then you're going to repeat that process. I'm wasting so much peanut butter right now. And you're going to do this and put it on the second piece of toast, like so. I have no idea what show's playing in the background, but it's really starting to annoy me. And then steps, I don't know, you're gonna take your jam. I'm gonna get an extra knife, so you guys aren't screaming at me like, why are you contaminating the jam with that nasty ass peanut butter? Well guys, that's just how I live. So then you're gonna take your jam and you're going to smear it on this peanut butter. Yeah, this peanut butter. Like so. And you're going to repeat that process on your other on your other piece of toast, just like so. Voila! Then you're gonna eat it. That's delicious. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to me. It would help out a lot. And if you enjoyed this video and want more cooking with Taylor videos, I don't know what to call this, then you can let me know down below, and that would be really cool. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.